Well, here we go. This is the little display that I was telling you guys about with the camera on my water jug. And I've already changed the oil, but fires right up. There's the camera. And there she is a-running. Just started with cold, fresh oil. So I got the valve covers back on, got the new motor mount on and everything, and I'm using the yellow coolant now, and yeah, well, it's back up and going. You know, Ford said you couldn't do the water pump on these inside the car. And there you have it. You did it inside the car.